congratulations to you all for providing us with the biggest heart and the biggest soul of any community in Australia. Keep the power going, and anytime I can support, please call and make me help you. Thank you.
Thriving community is a community that connects and supports itself as well.
The weakest of the sections and the marginalised have a good chance to be competing in the mainstream.
The thriving community, I think, is a community where everybody helps each other.
Rather than standing back, a lot of people come forward and say, I'm happy to do something to make this place better.
It might be just a smile, it might be just a hello, it might be a connection, it might be tangible help.
One that works together for the benefit of all those in the community.
My opinion of thriving community is people supporting people, and that's what it's all about.
It gives people a chance to give something back to the community, as well as getting something out of it.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, we're new to the area, and so it was really great just to see what all is out there and just to see people coming together.
I'm very impressed. This is a really energetic, passionate group of people, and it's wonderful.
We had an event last year. I think this is twice as good as that.
Thriving communities is about all the different sectors of the community getting together and finding new connections, celebrating what they're doing as independent organisations and people, and finding those connections where they can work together more for a more thriving community. And tonight's been fantastic. There's so many connections that have come out of it.